guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Living with Forum, or whatever the series is going to be called. अब तक मैंने नाम सोचा नहीं, it's just randomly popping in my head. But anyway, I want to make it a series, so if you have name suggestions, let me know. Today I am going to one of the, I don't know, less explored markets or really like less known markets in Mumbai, specifically in the western suburbs. I'm gonna go there and show you how the place looks and what all they offer. So I'm gonna go pick my mom first, and then together me and my mom are gonna go. Today is Thursday and ये market जो है सिर्फ every Thursday ओपन होता है. इट्स अ बुधवारी नहीं गुरुवारी बाजार ऐसा बोला जाता है. I'll go there and I'll share more details, so stay tuned and keep watching. सडनली बारिश चालू हो गया और यहाँ पे सब बंद है, कवर हो चुका है. That's sad.
क्या आगे डाली है?
अरे ये 100 रुपये मीटर वाला है, खाली इसकी वजह से.
चादर वाली क्या गई?
चादर वाली गोतवी पर से तुम्हारे का सूकू है थोड़ा
बेबी.
हम लोग को यहाँ पे आके 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ एंड वी ऑलरेडी हैड आवर फर्स्ट परचेज. लेजिट विद इन द फर्स्ट 2 मिनट्स. यहाँ पे फैब्रिक वगैरह बहुत अच्छा मिलता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें लाइक सो मम्मी अपने चनिया चोली और हाँ ट्रेडिशनल वेयर के लिए कपड़ा यहाँ से लेके आके एंड देन अपने टेलर को देना. वी हैव डन लाइक सो मेनी ऑफ देम. मैंने मेरी बहन की शादी के लिए सब कुछ यहाँ से ही शॉपिंग किया था. ऑल मटेरियल आई इंसर्ट पिक्चर्स हियर. ना कलर जो है ये फाउंडेड
परम मैंने आन गमी छे. हाँ
ब्लू ब्लू
आप पकड़ एक मिनट.
तो जो ब्लू आपको
नीचे दी खराब ना
आवाले. हाँ आय मस्त है मस्त एकदम सिल्की ब्लू ने एवी છે. વાહ તો બધી નાની નાની લાગે છે.
तो छोटा है.
ફોલ્ડ કેમ કરો તો
અરે
લેકિન
તો હું બાત જોવા માટે કે કેટલી થાય છે આમ. એ તારી પાસે ગ્રે છે ને?
આ જ છે ને ગ્રે મારી પાસે.
જો આવી જો આ તારે આ કલર ઓલું કરાવવા માટે. આ છે કલર છે આ નહીં.
આ મસ્ત કલર છે
પ્લેન જોઈએ ને તને આખું તારે ચડાવવા માટે જો ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ.
हाँ आ चलो बेडशीट्स ले लिए. अभी वी आर लुकिंग फॉर पिलो कवर्स. नॉट एग्जैक्टली पिलो कवर्स बट मे बी फैब्रिक जिसका हम लोग पिलो कवर्स स्टिचिंग करके बना सकते हैं. ऐसे ये જોઈ લઈએ. ચલો સિલ્ક કવર જ છે ને બધા. કેટલા કે છે?
40 રૂપીસ.
લો
મળી જશે આગળ ઘણું મળશે.
Boschi fitti e scuri, amarava Mussolini, e via e San Luca, tutti amavano destino.
Okay, my bed is not made and bedsheet को मैंने iron भी नहीं किया है. And I feel so stupid because I thought कि fuck I have to make the video and मैंने quickly ये bedsheet लगा दिया after I was just done washing them. Anyway, you see this one that I have here. I don't know, it's not showing off that well in the camera, but it's in blue color, in blue shade. I really don't know why it's not showing. And this is the another one that I got. It's not white. It has a shade of pink in it. I don't know why it's not showing in the camera. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I love it. मैंने इसको ऐसे ही रखा है. The best part about this is that first of all the best part is the price, because I got it for 250 each for a double bed or a queen size bed, which is what I have here. and I got like 500 में 2 sheets. I mean, that is insane. Secondly, they come with this elastic tucker or whatever we call it. I mean, you just put it gadde pe and it gets tucked in, so you know, it's a very seamless process, I guess, which is what I love about it. You see, it's so beautiful, it's so beautiful, it's such a nice solid shade, and I love it that way only. And I was like, okay, I am getting it for sure. Then I think what we got was the fabric for the pillow cover. Now I already have the pillows. So this is the fabric that I got. It's beautiful shade of, you know, light baby pink. I like it a lot. I mean, I just love it so much. Anyway, this fabric was like 40 rupees meter silk pink, and I think that's a very reasonable amount. I got enough for 2 pillows. And also the first white fabric which I got, I don't know what was the price of it, but उससे 2 छोटे pillows जो है, ऐसा cover जो छोटा है सब बन गया है. And I made this. So I already had this fur, and इसका कुछ use नहीं हो रहा था मेरे को. So back side पे I use that white thing, like 2 of it. I have 2 pillows जो दूसरे में मैंने डाला नहीं है, and एक का ये fur. So it looks really nice. I mean, everything was so fucking reasonable. This is the best part about that particular market. I mean, उधर fabric बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है. And this is the second time we went there specifically for bed sheets, because first time मैं normal fabric लेने के लिए गई थी mom के साथ, and that's when we saw कि okay, you know, there are bed sheets available here. तभी हम लोग एक लेके गए थे, एक bed sheet which was amazing. It was like, I mean, too good. It's still there. The color is not fading. You can sleep really well. I mean, it's comfortable. It's not like ऐसे, you know, it's just like any other street purchase. If you make, you come home, put it in a washer, you know, wash it so that all the dust and अगर कुछ तरह insects on it, they just like go away. I did that, and now it's here. It looks really fab. What do you think? I mean, I love solid colors in my room, and so pink and the grey and this bluish shade looks really cool, I guess. And you know what, I saw these similar ones, solid shades, solid silky bed sheets on Amazon and on IKEA, I think for around 1,800 if I'm not wrong. So I'm really happy that I got it at such a great price. Cheers to me. If you want a same one, you know where to go. Lalji Pada Market between Borivali and Kandivali, Link Road pe. Yeah, okay, that's the whole address. And every Thursday ye bazaar lagta hai, so yeah, make sure you go if you want to get your hands on such things. And yeah, I guess that is about for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and leave a comment on what do you think about my new purchases, and yeah, that's about it, I guess. See you.